Hello and welcome. Now today we're going to do a headlight motor repair on this 1999 Firebird. Now this is a kit, everything that's in the kit. I didn't order this kit, came with the car when I bought it, but let me show you what it's doing because the gear is damaged on the inside. You'll hear it. So it's obvious the gear inside there is damaged. So we're going to take the motor off the car, repair it, put it back together. First thing we're going to do is start with getting the headlight up. Now a lot of people will start right here on the headlight. Pull that little rubber grommet up. You can take an Allen head, turn that and manually pull it up. Some people will turn the lights on, then disconnect the battery. I'm going to go ahead, use an Allen wrench, and pull it up manually. Now, alternatively, I'm just going to use a 10mm. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is move 3 screws holding this bezel on. One here, one there, and one there. Now, I've already removed. Alright, so what I'm going to do is find the 4 screws that hold the lid on so I can have a little bit more room to work and see. That's why I didn't raise the lid all the way up. So I could get the 2 back here. That gives me a little bit more room, a little more room to see what I'm doing. Now you can see the motor right there and the wiring. I need to get this right here and unplug it. And it is tucked behind that bracket if it's never been removed. And then we'll also just reach back here. Go ahead and disconnect the headlights. Alright, now if you can see this, I'm going to loosen several of these bolts. First one being this one right here that holds the arm. And loosen it up. And I'm going to go ahead and take it off and leave the arm on there for now. Alright, now there's 3 more bolts to remove. You can see that one there, that one there. There's one right back there. So again, 10mm. Now the last one, you can see right there. Be a little tricky to get to, but we'll get it. I think you can see this. So, all I gotta do is put 10 on that side. And on this side you can see the head of the bolt right there. Now just pull the bolts out. Pull the motor out. Alright, so now need to get this off. Okay. Try to carefully work it loose. And carefully watch how you take it apart. And you can do this by place them in order how they came off. Now you can see the problem right there. Teeth missing. Completely worn down right there. So that is the problem. And all that grease is just packed up in one spot. So we'll get rid of the old grease. Clean out the inside. My new gear and its new bushing. Take place of that one. Some of the grease on there. A little bit down here on the back side of that too, just in case. And add some grease on that. Well, there, just in case. There we go. And a little bit more. Okay, so I just put my little washer on. Came with the kit. According to these instructions, they're a little crude, considering it looks like someone wrote that in. So it's opposite the other years. So a little washer on, and I can do the side cover. All that nice and clean. Really wasn't any grease or anything built up on this one. Then we're going to use this right here. Now we'll let that cure for a bit. Then, got the little T-brace with a little bushing in it. Goes just like that. Alright. Now, got that bolt in the way it was, took it off, the oddball. Lift this up. Slide my wiring back down in the motor. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I am going to go ahead and get the arm started. We at least kind of hold up lights out of my way just a little bit. Alright, now that I got all of those started, that back third bolt, I had to actually take it out, reach up under the bracket behind it and slide it through. A little awkward to do, but it's doable. Now I am just going to tighten down the motor. And I got the arm started for the headlights themselves, that's why they're staying up. And I'll tighten that down last. Now all that's left to do, plug the harness back up. And the headlights. Then I'll reinstall the cover. Alright, there it is, all bolted together, everything's working. Now you don't have to set it back to where it was, it doesn't matter. You get in there, get it all tied up, try it out, get it working, you're good to go. Now I hope this information proved helpful. As always, thanks for watching.